Girl drinking matcha.
So the drive-thru is going to be closing at 5, so just make sure you head straight over there right now.
No. Shit. Thank you for coming along. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. So we are at Blue Mountains and obviously we are gonna explore. Remember I told you I'm gonna document each and everything. So now that my parents are here, obviously हम काफ़ी सारी जगह visit करेंगे and this one is one of them. So let's go and explore Blue Mountains. First stop is Madison. यहाँ पे let's see if we can get anything from here. मम्मा को tops चाहिए, so let's see if we can get any tops. ऐसे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं मम्मा, please. Now we are having this churro sundae from Cold Tooth, and obviously we haven't tried it before, but मम्मा and शुभम इन सबको sweets बहुत पसंद है, so we are going for this. अच्छा नहीं लगा?
नहीं, ऊपर वाला नहीं।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं अच्छा लगा तुझे? ठीक है, ओके। कैसा? च्यू करने वाला? तो मार्शमेलो तो च्यू करने वाला ही होता है ना मम्मा? So we couldn't go for any activity because abhi it's around, just a second, 6:47 PM right now, और there's this Ridge Runner करके कुछ है which is really nice. सबने मुझे बोला था वो try करने का, but then उसके लिए 2 hours का wait है because it closes by 9. So clearly,
So bad.
but तूने तो पहले कर रखा है ना?
Oh yes.
And this guy didn't plan anything. That's why we are here, just roaming around, clicking pictures. Might have something, but won't be doing any activity.
By the way, just for record, I did not click any of my picture.
I can click yours. That's not an issue. So, okay, tell us what all you know so far.
Sorry?
He knows thoda. You know a bit. Thoda, a bit.
Thoda means a bit.
Oh,
That's what I'm telling you.
sorry.
Jonathan, whenever she asks you for extra food, what do you say? Chup.
Go.
Chup.
No chup. Say go. Go for it. Do I look good?
Pathetic.
Very nice.
Pathetic.
Thank you so much for the compliment.
Our girl on dieting.
I'm not.
You're not?
You were planning to.
Promises are meant to broken.
That hurts.
No, when I'll go out with mom and dad, I'm gonna eat and then I'll do.
Yeah. सामने हाल है, पीछे से तो कहाँ रुकेगा?
मैं होती मैं तो नहीं सकती.
Again, guys, can you spot something unique or different? Green and yellow. Oh my goodness.
How pretty.
That's like what do we say? 2 different type of mangoes. Alfonso mango and green mango.
Right?
Right.
कच्चा one. I don't know इसको क्या दिक्कत क्या है लाइफ में. लिटरली ये ऑयल मेरे हैंड में ऐसे पोर कर दिया and he's like try it. Thank you. Okay, so I am having sangria, you guys. These getting what's that? Pina colada? Huh?
Yeah, pina colada.
And Dad is having a refresher. Mama कुछ भी नहीं ले रही है. Jonathan, I don't think he's going for anything. Shubham is going for oil, which this guy literally pour here. And yeah, let's see about this is what we got. Margherita pizza, and then we got that red sauce pasta over there. And let's dig in. So Jonathan joined us in between and now we are heading home. Obviously काफ़ी चीज़ें हमने नहीं करी. वैसे ब्लू माउंटेन छोटा सा ही है, ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. But you can plan your day in a way कि आप सारी एक्टिविटीज़ कर पाओ. But then again we couldn't do anything. हम काफ़ी लेट आए थे एंड काफ़ी चीज़ों के लिए लाइन अप था. सो एक्टिविटीज़ तो नहीं कर पाए, बट ये छोटा सा जो काइंड ऑफ मार्केट है वो ये एक्सप्लोर किया. एंड नाउ वी आर काइंड ऑफ हेडिंग होम. आई एम सो टायर्ड यू गाइज. एंड यहाँ पे अलग ही ज्ञान चल रहा है, अलग ही ज्ञान चल रहा है. बट इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. व्हाट कैन वी डू. यू लुक प्रीटी मामा with hat on.
Matcha girl drinking matcha.
Hi you guys, so it's the next day and of course we're exploring a different place now. This time it's African Lion Safari and I'm super excited. Mama, Papa, Dee and Jonathan, we all are here and it's more like a zoo but open zoo wherein animals bahar honge aur hum apni car mein honge and we just have to sort of drive and see them chilling. So let's see how it's gonna go.
Are you planning on driving through or taking the bus today?
Driving through.
Perfect. And there's 5 people?
Yes.
Alright. You don't have any cracks or dents in the windshield?
No.
No pets in the car?
No.
Sounds good.
Oh, we do have
So
one.
when you drive through, it is considered enter at your own risk with a small possible chance of damage happening to the vehicle.
Right.
From mostly the monkey section.
Right.
But it is very unlikely. So just make sure the windows and doors stay closed for your own safety.
Gotcha.
Just typing in the last code.
No worries. And then for that, we just go that way? We go this way?
So just turn to the right,
Okay.
follow this path all the way down.
Okay.
So the drive-through is going to be closing at 5, so just make sure you head straight over there right now. And then you're good to go.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day,
You
guys.
too.
Thank you. Let's go. Show me. I literally changed my outfit so many times before deciding on this one and this one is not perfect too. But अभी आजकल ऐसा होता है ना कि कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता मैं पहनूं क्या. एक तो it's too hot here and I don't know, just going out gives me a headache these days. Anyway, let's see how it's gonna go. I'm super excited you guys. अभी ये like African Lion Safari सबका first time है, so we're definitely excited and let's see what sort of animals are we gonna see.
Trespassers will be eaten.
Ooh.
Close at 5. Will be eaten.
And it's 5 already now though, right?
Yeah.
What time is it? It's 4:46.
Hi. This one shaking his head. No.
Cutie. Such a cutie it is. मुझे मत बनाइए, मार देगा आपको.
बंद है यार. कोई नहीं है.
उसको ऐसे देख लेना.
जस्ट लेकर जो आए थे.
पापा जी आपके पास आ जाएगा.
They're over there. But though. Why can't they come? Why can't they come?
Why?
He's laying on
Okay,
top
he's
here.
there.
He's sleeping.
Papa ji, it's open.
It is open.
Right में भी है.
Look.
Guys, आराम से
पेड़
जाते
के
हैं.
नीचे. ज़्यादा उधर नहीं.
कहाँ?
पेड़ के नीचे.
Oh, he's leaving. Inside too.
Dad is like, how are you, big boy?
Oh look, there's one more.
Sleeping in the shadow.
Oh.
There's one.
These things are like big cats.
Yeah.
वो चार है ना? ऐसे देख रहा है. वही तो उसको देख के डर लग रहा है.
यार आ ना जाए.
वही उधर.
What if it come here?
ये रूफ के ऊपर ऐसे जंप मारेगा.
रूफ भी जाएगी या कार डैमेज हो जाएगी. No car
Let's
damage.
see this one walking around.
Don't go. Don't go.
Oh, क्यों?
Don't go there.
We're going close.
No problem at all.
Okay.
He's gonna kill us.
Look at that.
Oh shit.
He's looking around.
We'd kill it before it would kill us, right?
I think it's tamed to go like one side and then the next side.
Yeah.
Why is it looking here? Ah, there you go. Yeah.
दी sunroof खोल के आपको
No.
बाहर
I don't want to die just young.
It'd be fun,
look.
bro.
Oh, we
I don't want to die.
have to wait to get a better view.
What's that?
They're lions again.
Again? No, it's something else.
No, they're white lions.
Is it?
That one was brown.
They're over there.
It's from your country, right?
What do you mean? What was that?
My country.
I'm being racist now.
I'm from the Caribbean.
Whole world is our
I'm not African.
Dangerous animals, windows closed. But we are their food, no?
We are there.
That's true.
Why is it called African Lion Safari?
So basically, the main animal in African lion safari is of course the lion. Right?
Okay.
So the lion's from Africa.
Mm-hmm.
So because it's from Africa, they named it African lion safari because it's the main attraction.
Oh, that's
All the animals came after. The first animals that were here were the lions.
Okay.
That's
Gotcha.
why. They're just chilling on the.
Look at that. There's
He's
a
moving-
monkey
he's
on
moving to
top
the-
of someone's. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, please, Yanni, Yanni. Oh!
good job.
Bye-bye.
He's coming.
Bro, please don't. Not this car, not this car.
Yes, come.
Bro, no, we'll get it dent.
He'll choose.
That guy?
He'll choose.
Bro, you better not come here. Seriously, don't. Seriously, don't. Look at this one.
Nah, you chose that one out of all of them, bro. Come on.
Come here.
Yeah, go for it, go for
Yo,
it.
come here.
Yo.
Distracted.
Come on, loser.
Oh, let's go.
Holy.
No. Shit. Bro, I don't want any dent, bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. Jonathan पसंद आ गया.
Mom is saying he likes you.
Bye. Jonathan से मिलके चला गया.
There was a time I was looking online to get a pet ostrich. I was gonna get a pet. Yeah.
Because he wants big ass eggs, no? That's why.
No, I don't want big ass eggs.
Are you gonna eat them?
No.
Okay.
I just wanted one. I don't know why. I just wanted one.
Well, now you know how it looks up close. Okay, what do we have here?
Nothing for now.
Ram? Not a ram.
What's that?
What is this?
Kind of lambs, no?
Lambs? Okay, let me show you.
And they have big
Rhino
ass
now?
eggs, no?
Yeah, their eggs are huge.
Rhinoceros.
Rhino, where is it? Oh.
Here on the right.
Big boy.
किसी disco में चाय किसी होटल
उतर के देख कौन किसको खाएगा.
वो मुझे खाएगा. He has come all the way from India to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Finally!
Yeah. Oh, Baba.
Papa ji. The rhino भी vegetarian. Oh, look at that ostrich again. The way it's moving.
It's gonna come back.
मजा आ जाएगा तुझे अब.
ये सब vegetarian है.
Look. हाँ, अच्छा.
सारे.
Ostrich one. What's round 3?
Oh god.
Round 3 with the ostrich.
Round 3 with the ostrich. Jim Corbett में.
हाँ.
So Jim Corbett National Park में ऐसा नहीं होगा.
ओपन जीप में जाते हैं ना.
Open jeep में. Okay. So ये definitely इंडिया में experience तो नहीं मिलेगा ना?
ये वाला नहीं मिलेगा.
Ditto same वाला. Okay.
वैसे मिलेगा. यहाँ तो बंद करके जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
ओपन में जाएंगे. ओपन सफारी होती है ना.
ऊपर हाँ.
We're back in Trinidad. We had a big lake like this in the back.
Uh-huh.
We had alligators in it.
Oh. Do we not have it here though? We
No,
should.
There's no alligators here. Like reptile zoos, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like reptilian or whatever it's called.
Okay.
That place.
Reptiles, I guess.
Reptiles.
Yeah, but there's a place called Reptilian or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That has this all of it.
Wherein all sort of reptiles would be there. Okay, got it. Makes sense. Jonathan is always correcting our pronunciation. Kangaroo? No, kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo it is.
Why they block
Australian
off,
breed, no?
Australian
Yeah,
breed,
these-
yeah. These are all Australian ones.
These things, like I forgot who I told that they box. No, it was James. I told James.
I guess these are baby kangaroos.
Yeah, they're baby kangaroos and that one is.
But they actually like they
Oh,
box.
they're actually
Like
babies.
they'll get up and square up.
When I was a kid, I had this kangaroo.
Aww.
Oh, look at that one. Oh
So they jump. Oh, they're crossing the road.
Aww.
They're crossing the road. They all fall one by one. They go.
What you call it? What you call it? What you call a group of deers?
Herd.
Herd.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Herd of deers.
This one's having trouble
Grazing
itching
grass.
something.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us, guys. Stay safe.
So we're pretty much done with the tour already. Now we are just checking in case we miss anything. So let's see, have we? I guess there's this one part wherein we can actually go onto the water, right? I'm not sure, but maybe this is the one. Let's see, let's give it a try. So we are planning to go for African Queen boat cruise. Abhi to open hai. Let's see if we actually get to go there or not, because काफी late हो चुका है. It's 6:34, so I'm not too sure if we'll get to go in here, but let's see. We'll obviously give it a try. I am definitely getting touristy vibes, you guys. Obviously मम्मा पापा के साथ हम भी ये अभी explore कर रहे हैं, because पहले तो दियोर में अभी नहीं आए हैं. Mama's gonna have ice cream. Mama is having ice cream, you guys, and Dad is going for flavored tea. And it's a waffle cone that Mama is going for. Mama, try it, try it, try. Try and tell me if you like it or not.
It's a very huge one.
Yeah, it's a huge one. Yummy? पापा जी को चाय पसंद नहीं आई. एक तो यहाँ पे you don't really get like tea as such, ginger tea या फिर green tea वैसा, you know, you get here. So Dad wanted to go for this flavored tea. Apparently we only had option of ginger tea, which I got for Dad, but he's clearly not liking it. You're not liking it now? Not at all. Okay. We are waiting for pizza now. Pizza from Pizza. This pizza got everything that I don't like everything: onions, capsicum, mushrooms. But I'm gonna eat it still because I'm hungry. Bad news, guys. This boat cruise thingy is closed, so we won't get to have a ride. Yup, it's closed now. Water safari. Why are we always late? I don't get it. Like literally every single time we are late. So we are done with our visit to African Lion Safari, you guys. Thank you for coming along, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.